are a company based in Hampshire in England, and we work all over the world, and we have about 30 employees. We have an office in the United States and an office in Singapore. And the main focus of our business is resolving emissions and combustion problems for power stations and large combustion plant. So that might be refineries or steelworks, that kind of thing. A lot of our work now is helping large combustion plants, such as power stations, introduce an element of biomass or converting fully to biomass. So in order for a plant to do that, we need to look at every aspect of the way in which that power station operates and then help the plant operators develop new systems, new storage systems, new material handling systems, and new burners to enable that biomass product to be co-fired with the coal. That's our core business, and we are working all over the world, particularly in the Far East, helping coal-fired plants operate more efficiently and more cleanly. One thing of particular interest is that recently we've been doing a lot of work in Beijing in China, where, as you know, they have a terrible air pollution problem, and we have been converting their district heating plants to burn gas instead of coal. And we have developed a new gas burner, which we've called our clean air burner, in order to conform to the new emissions legislation that is being rolled out across China. Based on our expertise in resolving complex emissions and combustions problems, we were hired by a company called Cymec Atlantis Energy, which is a major player in renewables, in particular tidal stream energy, to help them reconfigure a conventional coal-fired power plant in Wales in the UK. The challenge there was to try and help develop a fuel that would be a mix of plastics that can't be recycled and waste stream consisting of waste paper, waste wood and waste cloth, combining those two elements into a new generation energy pellet. And we were involved in helping with the formulation of that pellet and looking at how the firing system in the conventional power station could be reconfigured to accept this new fuel. So we did a lot of research into looking at various constituents of that fuel. We did a lot of CFD modelling into how that fuel would be combusted and the various combustion properties. And then we took some different samples to a European university which had a specialist research section in combustion, and we fired these pellets in small to medium scale, and we did arrive at a formulation that developed a consistent flame. So that is something that's a very exciting new development, because if we can use some of the world's waste plastic, and as you all know we're drowning in waste plastic and we're sending it to landfill or we're sending it to overseas countries and then they're sending it back to us again, so that's not a long-term solution. So if we can arrive at a pellet that burns cleanly and burns reliably and safely, then we have a product that delivers very similar amounts of power with half the amount of carbon emissions, and it helps us bridge this gap towards developing a low carbon economy.